Nicole Navarro, and for this video, we're going to dissect a squid. So here are the things we needed: a laboratory gown, pair of gloves, dissecting kit, and especially the specimen or the squid. So we have here a squid from the phylum Mollusca, and this squid is under the class of cephalopods, which means head and foot. So as you can see, the head and foot of this squid are located in one place, or the arms of the squid or the tentacles are connected with the head of the squid. So first, let's have a tour first on the external parts of the squid. So this middle part of the squid is called the body tube or the mantle. This mantle has two sides, which is this part is called the anterior side, and this part is called the posterior side. On the anterior side of the squid, we have here these black spots or these black pigments that covers the mantle. These ones are called chromatophores. So these chromatophores are responsible for the changing color of the squids. They also use this to communicate with others. On the anterior part of the squid, we also have here the pointed part of their mantle or the body tube, which is called the articular ridge. For the closer picture, this is what it looks like. We also have here the circular part on the upper part of the mantle near the head of the squid, which is called the collar. So the lower part of the squid is called the dorsal end. In this dorsal end, this is where the fins are located on both sides. So fins are responsible for the locomotion of the squids, and they are also able to swim because of these fins. This upper part of the squid is called the ventral end. On this ventral end, we have here the two eyes of the squid on the both sides. These short one that are located in the upper part of the squid are called arms, while these longer one are called the tentacles. Both tentacles and arms of the squid contains a suction cups or called suckers. For a closer view, this is what a suction cups looks like. On the posterior side of the squid, we have here a short tube located under the eyes and on the other side of the mantle. So this funnel is called siphon. So this funnel allows the squid to move through the water by jet propulsion. So on the center of the arms and tentacles, we have here the buccal mass, and inside the buccal mass, it is where the beak of the squid is located. I'm going to remove the beak inside using a tweezer. These are the beak of a squid that looks similar with the beak of parrot. So these beak are responsible for tearing food into small pieces before it is swallowed. And now I'm going to remove the buccal mass. So this is what a buccal mass looks like, and the small long tube that are attached is the esophagus that connects to the stomach. And now let's proceed to the internal parts of the squid. When you started to cut the mantle of the squid, it is important that you should be careful so the internal organs of the squid will not be damaged. On the internal parts of a squid, we have here an ovary, so it is a female squid. So this big circle is the ovary. We also have here a two ventricles, or also known as branchial. So this is where the oxygen are being transported. And this part is the ink sac where it contains the ink which squid will release through the siphon. And now I am going to remove the pen inside the mantle. So these pen are the internal shell of the squid where it also provides support to squid's muscular tissues and organs. So this is the pen of the squid. So that's it for only today, guys. Thank you for watching.